Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel where I'm going to be talking about what I do as a physics and math major. I want to do theoretical physics, so that's why I'm also a math major. It is my first year. I'm 18 years old, but I'm technically a junior. I'm taking junior level classes. I'm an E&M, modern physics, Calc 3, and then I have 2 other classes that are like freshman required things, which is annoying. And the next semester I'm taking E-Lab, I'm taking linear algebra, diffie-q, and then foundation of mathematics, which is like a prereq for all the higher level math. So then probably like some weird other thing. I'm at Georgia College and State University. I think I said I'm a math and physics major. But a little bit about me. Well, first of all, my name is Jonas Barfield, and I love physics, and I'm good at it. I learned that I learned that 2 years ago, my junior year. I realized that I was sitting in AP Physics, just the first one, AP Physics 1, and I was like, this is boring, right? Because it was easy to me. I don't mean to brag, but it just came easy, right? But other things don't come easy. I'm not a super genius, right? I suck at writing. I'm trying to get better though. I'm not very good at teaching, but I'm in tutoring right now, so hopefully I'll get better at that. Anyways, so yeah, so I was sitting in AP Physics 1, and I was like, I'm so bored. And my physics teacher, he was like, you might just want to teach yourself the AP Physics C material, the mechanics and E&M, which is basically just the same as Physics 1, but with calculus, which really isn't that much different. And then the E&M part is completely different. I learned electricity, magnetism, Gauss' law, Ampere's law, Biot-Savart. I hate Biot-Savart, but I learned that in less than a month. Because I bought 2 books on it. I went through all the working and everything, and I was just sitting there bored. I had nothing to do. I was, because in AP Physics 1, I barely had to spend time to understand the concepts. So for those weeks when I was learning Physics C, I basically just sat in the back of the class and watched videos and read my book about Physics C, but then I was still bored in that class. What am I supposed to do? And so next thing is vibrations and waves, light, whatever. I did the MIT OpenCourseWare like 803 class, which is vibrations and waves, I think it's called. But yeah, I did that. Went through all the lectures with Walter Lewin. I think he's Walter Lewin, good teacher. Went through that. I didn't like hardcore study it. I did a bunch of the homeworks and exams that were posted on there, but I wasn't really trying to like really get. I just really liked it. I wasn't trying to memorize formulas and everything. So it was very low-key learning that. And then I went into 804, which is quantum mechanics, but I needed linear algebra to do that. I didn't know linear algebra, so I had to learn linear algebra. So I learned the basics, right? But yeah, so I was having fun in quantum mechanics, learned that. Took me a little bit longer because quantum mechanics is not intuitive at all. But yeah, that was fun. I thought about doing 805, which is the like advanced quantum mechanics, but I was in my, I guess, yeah, what did I do? I learned a lot of math. I learned some diffie-q. I got into special relativity, learned some general, I just learned a bit of each thing, statistical mechanics, abstract algebra, the differential equations, I think I said. It looks a little bit into partial differential equations, but those are not easy. Just started reading up on a bunch of stuff. I learned a bit of quantum field theory, but that was way too advanced for my math skills then. So yeah, I took the physics C exams. I taught myself everything, and I got 5s on them. So I exempted from the first 2 years of physics, which is nice. And I do enroll in a lot of classes, so that's why I'm technically a junior, taking, E&M modern physics, which are 3rd-year classes. But yeah, so that's a little bit about me. I love physics. As you can tell, I did it for fun. And people always kind of give me weird looks saying, well, why are you doing this for class? And I'm like, no, I want to do it. And they're like, yeah, okay, buddy. But yeah, so I'm chilling here. It's pretty good school. So I got into research pretty early, tutoring, which are gonna help me get into grad school. And yeah, so that's my background. Now, what do I do daily to improve my chances of getting into a better grad school? Well, I do all my homeworks. I try really hard in my class. I want to have A's in all my class. I want to have a high GPA. Because that's important. I'm in tutoring because that's also important. I can get a certification for that. There's also another certification I can do, being SI, which helps out a lot. There's a lot of things that I'm going to do. Right now, I'm just a tutor. And yeah, I'm just trying hard in my classes, doing research. Yeah, my plans for the future. Next semester, I'm probably gonna be an SI, which means I'm basically sort of like a TA. I don't know. I basically host like 2 review sessions a week for the students in some class. I'll probably be a physics class because I don't like teaching math. But yeah, so that's something I'm going to do. Also in the summer, I'm going to apply for REU. I believe it's called. It's like undergraduate research in the summer. I don't know if I'll do math or physics. I'll probably do physics because I'm thinking I want to do physics, right? Something with particle physics, theoretical, I don't know. But there's always the chance that I want to get a PhD in math, but I don't know if I want to, because I don't know if I like math as much as I like physics. Anyways, so I'll probably be doing some physics research in the summer, but there's not a lot of like theory stuff, and so that's why maybe doing math research in the summer would be better. I don't know. I'll have to roll that around in my mind a little bit. But yeah, other than doing all that, I also am learning quantum electrodynamics, learning nuclear physics, just kind of slowly, so that, maybe I'll be able to publish something independently. Probably not, because publishing is hard. It requires a lot of research and theoretical research, just because I don't need like lab equipment, whatever. Like, I don't need a particle accelerator or anything to do theory research. I just need my mind, and probably a computer. But it's still a lot of work and a lot of background, and so I don't know. But even if I don't put this quantum electrodynamics and nuclear physics to practical use in these 4 years, I'm enjoying it. Quantum electrodynamics, I'm reading the Feynman lectures on it, and it's pretty interesting. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. My dream is to get into what's it called, Perimeter Institute for Theoretical Physics up in Canada. But other dream places is like Caltech, University of Chicago, places like that would be great for grad school, but I'm not gonna get my hopes up. So yeah, I'll probably be posting on this every day or maybe every week, do like a weekly vlog type of thing. So yeah, I guess I'll see you later.